Hello my friends, so right now I'm standing in Region 15 in Tulum to give you a little tour through the most recent developments by Areia Group. All of these developments from the Areia universe that have been so absolutely successful. So I'm going to start over there. That one is Ayook, that is going to be delivered later this year. The following one over here that is under construction as well, that is Neo Cube. And if you come with me a little bit further, I'm gonna just stand here a little bit in this crossroads to let you know that in that direction you will find Fifth Avenue. If you go on that direction, you're gonna find Kukulkan Avenue, which right now is the closest avenue that may take you to the sea and to the hotel zone. And the beach is in that direction. Now, over there, you're gonna find phase 6 of Areia, and also that's where Areia Plaza is being built. However, in this corner, you are going to find the first Neo. The first Neo was a development that was actually sold out in a record time. It was super welcomed by the investors community. And moving along, over here, you're gonna find the one that looks a little bit in the back. I'm gonna get closer. That one is sober. So just as a little pointer, you can see actually how all of the Areia universe, all of these developments have actually changed the shape of Region 15 in Tulum. I mean, this is a really a motor of development in the region. Needless to say, all of the work opportunities that it creates. So the one in the back, as I was telling you, that one is sober. And if you come with me to this other corner, you will find Neo Plus. And let me just walk a little bit towards the corner so I can kind of show you something else, because if you turn on that direction, you will actually find Areia phases 1, 2, 6 that are also, well, Areia phase 1 is already delivered, and Areia phase 2 is going to be delivered in a couple of months, and the other phases, well, apart, it's about every 6 months apart from each other, each delivery. So as you can see, look at the revolution that the Areia universe is actually creating in the region, my friends. It's fantastic. And of course, if you want to learn some more information about the investments opportunity from the Areia Group, just send me a message and I will be more than happy to provide you all of the details. Bye.